Very good morning, my dear student. So today we are going to see chapter number 10, Walls Tell Story. So in our previous video, we discuss about the Walls Tell Story, and here you know that we are going to talk about the Golconda Fort. Okay, so please open your textbook and on page number 9090. Okay, so here where is east and west? Okay, so where is east and west? So if you stand in the center of one place, okay, so at the place you are, where does the sun rise? Where does it set? Where you are standing, find out what all is there to your east, what all is there to your west. Also find out what place are to your north and south. Okay, so here little bit we have to get the idea about the direction. Okay, so for an example, if you want to stand in a center, okay, and you can see the sun, okay, so east, north, west and south. Okay, so east it means purva disha, okay, and west it means paschim. Okay, so uttar, dakshin, purva and paschim. Okay, so this direction you have to mention in your notebook. Okay, as well as you have to keep remember in your mind. Okay, so it will help you. Okay, so look carefully at the map of Golconda. Okay, so here this is the map of Golconda. On the map, arrow shows all the four directions. Okay, so here they have mentioned first one is N, it means north. Then second here E, it means east. Then in the end of this page is a south, and here west. Okay, so this you have to keep in your mind. So dear students, if you are peeping inside from Bodli Darwaza, in which direction from you is Kotura house? Okay, so here first you have to search the place. Okay, then you have to give the direction. Okay, so हम कहाँ पे खड़े होंगे? दो we stand in north direction. Okay, so let's see another question. If someone is entering from Banjara Darwaza, so here you have to search the Banjara Darwaza. Okay, so where is the Banjara Darwaza? Okay, it is here. Okay, this is the Banjara Darwaza. Then in which direction from her is Kotura house? Okay, so it is also, we can say that south. Okay, it is on south direction. In which direction will you walk from Bala Hisar to reach Moti Mahal? Okay, Bala Hisar to reach Moti Mahal हम कैसे पहुँचेंगे? Okay, so we will walk to the east direction. हम कहाँ से पहुँचेंगे? East direction. Okay, here you can see in the map east direction. Okay, here is the Moti Mahal. Okay, very good. Then how many gates can you see on the outer walls of the fort? Okay, आप जो fort है उसके वहाँ से आप कितने गेट देख सकते हो? So 9 gates were there. Count how many palaces are there in the fort. Okay, so from this map you have to count. Okay, so there are 3 palaces. What arrangements for water can you see inside the fort? For example, wells, tanks and step wells. Okay, so there are 5 boils and 2 holes for the water. On the map, 1 centimeter distance is equal to a distance of 110 meters on the ground. Okay, now tell. Okay, now we have to give the answer. Okay, so this is just example. On the map, the distance between the Bala Hisar and Fateh Darwaja is 8 centimeter. Okay, so on the ground, the distance between the two would be 880 meters. So how far is the Makkai Darwaza from Fateh Darwaza? That we have to find. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so why these attacks? Okay, on page number 9 to 92. So why these attacks? While we were all talking, Sridhar called us to see a big gun cannon. We ran up the steps. Okay, so ये क्या है? तोप है. इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? कैनन. Sahija, this must have been the Sultan's big gun. Okay, अभी साहिजा और श्रीधर दोनों बात कर रहे हैं. So, ये किसकी गन है? साहिजा ऐसा बता दे ये कि सुल्तान की बिग गन होगी. दीदी, this was used by Aurangzeb. His full army came with their guns and cannons, it means top, to attack, but they could not even enter the fort. Okay, so ये फोर्ट है, उसके अंदर कौन अटैक करने के लिए आया था? औरंगजेब. और वो आया पर वो अटैक कर नहीं पाया. ओके, सो अटैक टू अटैक बट दे कुड नॉट इवन एंटर द फोर्ट. ओके, अटैक तो कोई बात नहीं, पर वो अंदर ही एंटर नहीं हो पाए. ओके, सो फॉर 8 months दे कैम्प्ड आउटसाइड द फोर्ट. ओके, 8 month तक क्या हुआ? फोर्ट के बाहर कैंप करके वो रहे. साहिजा, why would the army come here all the way from Delhi? Didi, in those days, emperors and kings played such tricks. They tried to make a smaller kingdom a part of their own kingdom. Okay, so this was done sometimes by friendship, sometimes by flattery, or even by marriage between families. And when nothing else worked, they also attacked them. Kalyani, why is it that Aurangzeb's army could not get into the fort? He had so many soldiers and big guns. Okay, so जो औरंगाबाद के जो आर्मी लोग आए थे वो कैसे अंदर एंटर नहीं हो पाए? Okay, could not get into the fort. He had so many soldiers and big guns. बहुत सारे soldiers भी थे और guns भी थे. Saija, didn't you see this strong thick wall? क्या तुम एक thick जो wall है वो देख नहीं सकती हो? In the map there is a long deep ditch pit along the wall. How could the army enter? Okay, so जो fort का जो structure है वो ऐसी तरह से बनाया था कि no one can enter in the fort. Okay, so Sridhar, if the army tried to come from a different side, then the soldier in the bastions would have seen in front it from a distance. No wonder it was difficult to attack the fort. Okay, so ये fort इसी तरह से बनाया था कि कोई भी अंदर जा सकता नहीं है. Okay, with a full security. Okay, so Kalyani, imagine the army is coming on horses and elephants with all their guns. Here, the Sultan's army stands fully prepared. Okay, so Saija, oh no, how many people and soldiers on both the sides must have been killed in all this fighting. Why do people attack and have wars? Okay, so here this 2 or 3 friends all were talking about this war. Okay, they also worried about the this war, that why they used to do this war. Okay, वो क्या ज़रूरत है? As you can see in this picture. Okay, वहाँ पे एक कैनन, इट मीन्स बहुत बड़ा तोप है. ओके, यहाँ फिर आपको कुछ दिख रहा है और यस यू कैन सी नो. सो ये भी क्या है? टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ. ओके, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए भी ये हथियार या फिर औजारों का सही तरीके से उपयोग करते थे.